thing I get too serious now and too personal. Everybody like say, come on now, and one woman I know this thing now at 20 to 1. You copy?
Let me set this video up real quick. Listen, you will not be seeing my face in this video again, okay? I'm just setting the video up for you. This video is a brother named Outer Road, and he asks for people to share the video so other people, as many people as possible, can hear what he has to say. I, after listening to the video, thought, man, this is an important message that I think all Jamaican men worldwide, because we're scattered all over the world, need to hear what this brother has to say. You know what I'm saying? It's along the lines of what has been going on in Jamaica in recent times concerning our women, treatment of our women, and how we react to certain things. You heard me? So, without further ado, but let me say this first. I've used videos before, only to come find out, say, people take other people's video, license the video, and it's not theirs, and then complain to YouTube, say, I use their licensed product. So, I got strikes on my channel. That's why I haven't really been sharing videos, per se. You know what I'm saying? And dealing with Jamaican people, you're dealing with some shady people a lot of the times. And if you ask them for, okay, send me proof, says yours, and then I'll take it down. Instead of them send you proof, themselves make YouTube handle it. Me not call no names, I'm not saying nothing. So with that said, and no further ado, here's the brother named Outer Road, and please listen to what he has to say. If you know a man that's still like this, show him the video and let him listen to what this brother has to say.
Thanks, in of Imperial Majesty. Outer Road talk. I'm going to share 3 experience with Uno. And here because I realize when I come on Facebook I talk to the world, I don't talk to BRAINS&THBEAT, I talk to the world. I want to share this with me so that some man can see, say, oh, if you don't lose an honor or a foot, you don't lose nothing. You can't lose money and lose something. You can't lose woman and lose something. You get me I say? I know the feeling of jealousy and the aggressiveness and feel like you're more dominant than your woman. But it's only a real man in a house that can tell a woman, say, yes, baby, I'm sorry. You were right. Get me I say? And as some wild man when know what they do a road normally jealous. Because we fuck other woman. So we know some man we fuck for woman. So this is why we jealous and mad sometimes. You understand? But here I go on now. The reason why my name Outer Road, I was sentenced to 10 years in prison for a firearm. You see me? So here people say them name Outer Road. I am the original Outer Road. Yeah? Because people love follow and talk. Since cartel about years enough, my name cartel to us of them stay. Alright. When me sentenced to 10 years, me left my baby mother out here with 3 kidney. And my best friend breed my baby mother. My best friend when me left a road to go and give support while I'm not here. And him breed my baby mother. I mean, I hear nothing for that. They abandon me and forget about me and everything. When my family call me and tell me, say, I'm my friend and my baby mother there. When him come over the phone, my hand still on my ears, so. Cause me turn idiot. I don't sleep, I don't bathe, and I don't eat for 3 days. I'm mad for 3 days. I may brush off myself and come back alive and realize I don't lose nothing because I don't bow with crutches. You understand me? After me tell myself, someone don't want a man feel like saying own anything for a woman. What you give to her is belongs to her. When you leave, you go leave her with it, and when she leave you, she go leave with what is yours. You understand me? So this thing I get too serious now and too personal. Everybody I kill everybody now. Like say, come on now, and one woman I know this thing now at 20 to 1. You copy? Alright, hold on now. Me tell you now how powerful it is now. Me come out here and have all my girlfriend and everything, and one night me tell my girl to me I come check her. And me always a style her to me I go check her. But she make 2 dates that night. The night when I went to check her, there was another man in the house and me never even realized what was taking place because me I call her and can't get her. Then me now go put on 3 building block. A piece of stick. Climb up on her window, come into the TV and go look around her back. When me climb up and look, so wow, she knock out asleep naked. Wow, the brother beside her naked to knock out me. I said, blood, that what is? You hear that? Me and them weak to come off her window because me surprised, me couldn't believe me tired. Me weak out, me said, God, what is? She didn't even know me see her. So what I did, I leave her X on the window. And the piece of stick and the tree building block come out and climb up. And vice note her in the morning and say, hey, you sleep with a man last night, that's me come and call you, I'm gonna get you. You know what she said to me? Yes. After me wait for you all night and you know come, attack me the fit of it you. I'm gonna go so blam, me not quarrel. Listen this, me say to her, I say, my vice note her and say, grow on the back and look at the tree building block and a piece of stick and the X by your window. You can't get her phone again. Because she realized that me come. You hear? Life so funny that me and one of my girl have sex for one time and when me check it out, and my girl, and me look up it's a condom, me say come out. So what me fi do? Kill her? No, you have to just left them. Left them, make them go on. Yeah? Don't kill them, cause you hear me, it's not an easy feeling, you know, when the person dead and gone and for them rest in peace. And you that prison with chinka bite your ants, mosquito, roach and fly. Your life miserable and you left in the problem. My youth, on that, every car carry 4 tire and it still have a spare. So make sure you have somebody where you can go cry on them shoulder when certain people left you. You hear? You hear me I tell you now? Nah, kill nobody for them things what them born with. When I say if you can't share this, make some boy see it. You hear? None that belongs to you. Cut out the feeling there and say, oh my God, I'm going to kill it, cut out the feeling there. Because the devil come down in you know, you know. Cut it out. You hear? Alright.
I only mean well for my people, alright? Big up and bless up on yourself, man. SouFLoTV. I'm out. Peace.